Best educational toys to get for your kids. Discover the ultimate blend of fun and education with our captivating wooden cartoon puzzle toys. Dive into a world of vibrant fruits, adorable dinosaurs, delightful desserts, and zooming cars designed to ignite your toddler's imagination and cognitive development. Perfect for ages 1 to 3, these Montessori-inspired puzzles offer a hands-on approach to learning, making every playtime an adventure and discovery. Bring home endless smiles and skill-building moments with our irresistible collection today. Unleash your child's creativity with our children's drawing roll. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to endless artistic possibilities with this innovative sticky color-filling paper. Watch as your little one's imagination comes to life, whether they're doodling, painting, or crafting DIY masterpieces. Perfect for fostering creativity and fine motor skills. This graffiti scroll is more than just a toy. It's an educational adventure waiting to happen. Don't miss out on the chance to spark your child's artistic flair. Click the link now to bring home this must-have accessory and let the creativity flow. Unlock the power of playful learning with our calendar jigsaw brain teaser wooden toys. Delight your child's mind with these captivating Montessori-inspired puzzles that double as brain-boosting games. From enhancing problem-solving skills to fostering creativity, our innovative calendar jigsaw promises endless hours of educational fun. Let your child explore the world of shapes and numbers while developing crucial cognitive abilities. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make learning exciting and engaging for your little one. Bring home the ultimate intelligence-boosting toy today. Embark on an enriching journey of discovery with our baby toy Montessori Solar Core puzzle. Crafted from premium wood and inspired by Montessori principles, this engaging toy is more than just fun. It's a gateway to early childhood development. Watch as your little one explores the wonders of the solar system, fostering curiosity and imagination with every piece. Perfect for preschool training and ideal as a thoughtful gift, this Montessori gem promises endless learning and joy for your child. Elevate playtime to new heights and ignite a lifelong passion for learning. Get your Solar Core puzzle today. Unlock the world of emotions and weather with our captivating baby Montessori toys. Dive into a world of learning and discovery as your child explores emotions and weather patterns through adorable cartoon characters and engaging English flashcards. These educational toys are not just fun, they're essential tools for building language skills and emotional intelligence in children. Perfect for curious minds, these Montessori-inspired toys offer endless opportunities for learning and growth. Don't miss out on the chance to give your child the gift of education and entertainment. Click the link now to bring home these enriching toys and watch your child's imagination soar. Embark on an intergalactic voyage of discovery with our children wooden space planet puzzles. Explore the wonders of the universe while honing problem-solving skills and igniting a passion for science. Each puzzle piece represents a celestial body, from planets to stars, beautifully crafted to spark imagination and curiosity. With a Montessori-inspired design, this matching game seamlessly blends learning and play, making it an ideal addition to any young explorer's collection. Dive into the cosmos and unlock the secrets of the solar system with our captivating space planet puzzles. Adventure awaits. Ready to elevate playtime and learning for your child? Click the link in the description now to discover these captivating toys. Don't miss out on the opportunity to spark imagination, foster cognitive development, and create unforgettable moments. Get your hands on these must-have items today and watch your child's curiosity soar to new heights. Click now to explore the world of fun and learning.